stand clear of the door. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome on radio. Our next stop will be the Contemporary Resort. If you're standing on the little restaurant, do not need to close automatic door.
To our new passengers, we welcome you aboard our Highway in the Sky and hope you enjoy the Magic Kingdom. We are traveling to Disney's Contemporary Resort. During our travels, please hold onto the handrail and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you. Is the Transportation and Ticket Center, with continuing service to Disney's Polynesian Village and Grand Floridian Resorts. We are now entering Disney's Contemporary Resort.